Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Warner. So some of you might know that the main reason I wanted to come to Oman in the first place is because I saw some photos of beautiful canyons here. That kind of got derailed a little bit when I injured my toe a few days ago, or about a week ago, but it's doing a lot better now. It's pretty gross looking, but still able to fit in one canyon at least. So I'm with my new friend Yaya, and we are doing Snake Canyon. So this is freaking insane, man. This is one of the coolest canyons I have ever seen in my life. It is nuts. I don't know if you can see this. Here, let me. So this was the rappel point. Definitely you can barely see the rope over there, but this, look at this chamber. This is nuts. This is insane. Still trying to figure out how to photograph it. Okay, so let's see if I can put that in there. Yeah, so you can kind of see here is the basic composition. If I look at the histogram looks it looks okay. I don't see anything that's blown out, but I don't want any of these shadows down here to be grainy at all in the final shot, especially in these like, you know, high contrast scenes. I don't want to deal with any of that. So I am going to bracket. I also don't want to focus stack, so I'm at f14 and just ISO 100 for quality. So let's focus somewhere down here in the corner and see how that goes. Oh my God, man, this is so beautiful. So I think this is gonna be the shot of the whole day. The light is absolutely fantastic in here. Beautiful, beautiful glowing light. It's hitting the tops of the canyon walls and they're just pouring in and making it glow. It's just phenomenal. So show you the shot I have here. So I'm going to focus stack and bracket, and unfortunately because there's so much dark stuff down here and then over here, and then also back here, I am going to have to bracket each individual shot. So it's going to be a bit of a difficult one to process. So I will just take one focus point here, bracket that. Another focus point over here, a little bit closer, bracket that. Another one back here, again, bracket that. And then another one back here in the background and bracket that. And then because I've taken so many photos today, this is gonna get way too confusing for me. So the last thing I do, I do a 2-second timer, and then I'm gonna hold up 4 because I had 4 shots in front of the camera. This is incredible. All right, so this is officially, I think, the coolest canyon I've ever done. It is absolutely insane. So good. I am not showing a lot of stuff because I literally would be photographing and filming every step of the way. So kind of skipping over a lot of stuff. I'll just show you a highlight reel of all the photos. Oh, very cold.
Yeah.
This is freezing. This is freezing.
Half an hour.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. Canyon is absolutely nuts, dude. This so cool. It's never knew the Middle East had crazy canyons like this, but it does, and they're phenomenal. Just phenomenal. This is so cool. All right, so that was Snake Canyon. Just finishing it up. 10 out of 10 easy. It's awesome. Absolutely mind-blowing. This was crazy canyon day. Pictures were phenomenal. I do want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.